In this episode, a curious home scientist turns ordinary drinking glasses into a tiny orchestra to explore sound and pitch. They arrange 6 glasses from empty to full, tap each gently with a spoon, and note rising notes as water increases. The science is simple. The speed of sound in water and air, space, shape, and the wavelength combine to produce higher tones. Safety tips cover handling glass, keeping the area dry, and supervising children. Questions to spark curiosity include how temperature affects pitch, why a sealed bottle differs, and what other liquids change the notes.